If you want to use a custom team in franchise mode in Madden NFL 26, first of all, you have to download the team. So if you want to do that, we can go to Creation Center and then open the Download Center. And by default, you should be able to immediately see all these teams that we can get from other players. So let's say I'm gonna get Turtles over here and let's download. Once it is downloaded, we're gonna go back. And now let's create a league in the franchise mode. So we're gonna go to franchise, let's enter the franchise, and let's create a new league. Now here, what is quite crucial is that you need to actually go for the online solo or multiplayer. If you try to do this for the offline mode, it simply won't work. Then we're gonna go to roster file. We need to select the roster file, and now we need to wait for the roster import. And once you see the team selection, you can choose whichever team should be replaced with your new team. So let's say I'm gonna choose Las Vegas Raiders over here, and I'm gonna press now square on PlayStation controller, and if you're playing on Xbox, you want to press X in order to choose a downloaded team. So let's pick our team, and let's choose yes, use the team builder roster. And there we go, and now we can select our team, and we can just proceed with the rest of the settings. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.